Okay. Hi, we are from group 1, and in our group there are 5 members: Manpreet Kaur, Sarabjit Kaur, Simranjeet Singh, and Pawandeep Singh. Firstly, I will introduce my company. The name of my company is Sony Corporation, and in this presentation, we will diverse into Sony Corporation journey through the ever-evolving global business environment. Apart from that, we will also discuss the strategies they use for internationalization, the challenges they have faced through the entire food path. Their exploration highlights Sony venture into diverse market and underscores the advantages it has gained throughout the phase. Despite facing a spectrum of the intricate challenges, it emphasizes Sony dedication to risk mitigation, encompassing legal, financial, and operational approaches. Apart from that, within the dynamic global landscape, Sony's narrative serves as a source of inspiration, knowledge, um, for everyone. Despite from that, this presentation initiates a comprehensive analysis of Sony pivotal role in the global business arena. If I talk about the background and history of the organization, in 1946, Sony Corporation was founded as a Tokyo Telecommunication Engineering Corporation by the Masaru Ibuka and Ikyo Morita. Sorry if I did a wrong pronunciation. After that, in 1950, they introduced Japan's first magnetic tape recorder, the G type, and after 5 years, Penord Japan first transistor radio, the TR-55, and finally, in 1958, they officially renamed the corporation as the Sony Corporation. And in 1960, they established Sony Corporation America SCA and launches the TV8301 portable transistor TV. And in 1970, they become the first Japanese company listed in the New York Stock Exchange. And now, in recently, Sony introduced a new innovation, that is the Aibo entertainment robot in 2018, as well as the Vision 8 prototype in 2020, focusing on mobility and entertainment. Moving to the other slide, over to Ramanpreet Kaur.
Sony Corporation, Sony Electronics, Sony Corporation until 1 April 2021 is the electronic business unit of the Sony Group, and it primarily conducts research and development, planning, designing, manufacturing, and marketing for electronic products. Furthermore, Sony in full Sony Corporation, major Japanese manufacturer of consumer electronics products whose diverse activities has included film, music, and financial services among other ventures. And also it has been one of the most successful and multi-faced brand in the market history. Please next slide. And moreover, I'm talking about Sony's internationalization. From the very beginning, internationalization and innovation were important aspects for Sony. Its strategy was to establish subsidiaries and manufacturing facilities in the target regions. As a result, it would directly sell its product and have a close connection with consumers. And Sony Corporation internationalization also divided into three categories like modes of entry, mergers and acquisitions, and subsidies. If I talk about modes of entry, Sony Corporation are global leaders and electronics, entertainment, and gaming has expanded its operations. And mergers and acquisitions, Sony has strategically engaged in M&A activities to establish a presence of foreign markets. And subsidies, Sony has established subsidies in various countries such as Sony European, Sony Asia Pacific, and Sony Latin America. Thank you. Over to you, Simanjit Singh.
Thank you, Ramapreet. Sony internationalization. There are three benefits of internationalization: growth in market share, revenue growth, profitability, diversification, and risk mitigation. In growth in market share, Sony Strategic Management Corporation international market share has not only allowed the company to diversify its customer base but also to capture a large share of the worldwide consumer electronics and entertainment and gaming industries. By establishing a strong presence in the key regions such as North America, Europe, and Asia, Sony has been able to leverage its diversified product offerings and brand recognition. In revenue growth, Sony internationalization offers have translated into sustained revenue growth. The company's ability to enter diverse market and adapt its product lines to local preference has significantly boosted in profitability. The expansion of Sony's internationalization operation has led to enhanced profitability. In diversification and risk mitigation, Sony's global presence and diversified product portfolio provide a safeguard against regional economic downtowns and market specific damages. Please, next slide. Challenges in different markets. There are three challenges: regulatory challenges, cultural challenges, and economic challenges. In the regulatory challenges, Sony has faced regulatory challenges obstacles in global operations. For example, EMI music publication faced regulatory scrutiny in the European Union. In cultural challenges, cultural differences, communication barriers, and consumer preference are represented challenges to Sony. In economic challenges, Sony has grappled with economic activity, fluctuating exchange rates, and market-specific economic conditions. These have economically impacted the company's profitability. Flexible financial strategies. The next slide will be spoken by Pawandeep Singh.
Thank you, Simanji Singh. Hello, my name is Panvi Singh, and in the upcoming slides, I will discuss about challenges in different markets and risk mitigation strategies of Sony Corporation. First of all, if I talk about challenges in different markets, navigation complex global environments. In addition to the challenges discussed earlier, earlier, Sony Corporation has encountered further hurdles while operating in diverse markets, including political instability. In political instability, certain regions has presented a significant challenge to Sony's operations. Sudden political changes, civil u- unrest, and government instability can disrupt business continuity. Moreover, adapting to changing political landscapes and regulatory environments requires a keen understanding of local political and government dynamics. And moreover, currency exchange risk. Sonic operates in a global marketplace where fluctuations in exchange rates can affect its financial performance, and also currency exchange risk can lead to volatile revenues and profit. Moreover, the company has had to implement currency risk management strategies such as hedging to mitigate the impact of currency exchange fluctuations on its financials. Also, these challenges stemming from political instability and currency exchange risk further underscore the intricacies of Sony's global operations and its need for a dynamic and responsive business approach. And in the next slide, I will discuss risk mitigation strategies of Sony Corporation. Sony Corporation has employed several risk mitigation strategies to safeguard its internet its international operations. These strategies include hedging against currency fluctuations. And if I talk about this, Sony has implemented hedging strategies to protect against currency exchange risk. This involves the use of financial instruments to offset potential losses caused by volatile exchange rates. Secondly, by actively managing currency risks, Sony can stabilize its financial performance and protect profit margins. Moreover, diversification of markets, diversifying into multiple markets and regions has been key risk mitigation strategy for Sony. This approach reduces the company's dependence on any single market or region. By operating and in the next by operating in various markets, Sony can spread its risk and adapt its strategies to changing economic conditions in different regions. Thank you. And the next slide will be spoken by Manpreet Kaur.
Hi everyone, my name is Manpreet Kaur, and now I'm going to talk about the further safeguards for success of Sony Corporation. In addition to the previous discussed strategies, Sony Corporation has employed the following risk mitigation approaches the first one is strategic partnership. In this, Sony has formed strategic partnership with other companies both locally and internationally to enhance its competitive advantages and share risk. And the second one is local talent hiring. In under this term, hiring local talent is a fundamental aspect of Sony's risk mitigation strategy by recruiting individuals with an in-depth understanding of the local culture, market dynamics, and regulatory environment. Sony can make informed decisions and tailor its products and services to meet specific local needs. Moreover, local talent also assist in relationship building and navigating local nuances. Next slide, please. In addition to this comprehensive risk management, Sony's approach to risk management extend beyond the strategies discussed earlier and encompasses several key aspects legal strategies and financial strategies. Under the term of legal strategies, Sony has a dedicated legal term that monitors compliance with the international laws and regulations. This proactive legal approach ensures that the company operates within the boundaries of the law, reducing legal risks. Moreover, under the term of financial strategies, financial risk management is a critical component of Sony's risk mitigation efforts. The company employs various financial strategies such as maintaining financial resources and managing debt levels to ensure financial stability in the face of economic uncertainties. The financial strategies also involve maintaining a diverse portfolio of investments and access to spread financial risks. Thank you. The next slide will be spoken by the subject call.
In conclusion, Sony Corporation journey through the global business environment evolution and dynamics being marked by the several key takeaways. Firstly, global expansion. Sony strategically entered various international markets through mergers, acquisitions, subsidiaries, and strategic partnership, broadening its reach and presence. If I talk about the benefits they get from the internationalization, the company global expansion translates into substantial growth in shares, revenue, and profitability. If they get benefits from the internationalization, they also face lots of challenges as well, such as regulatory, cultural, economic, competitive, political, and currency exchange risk. To mitigate this risk, they also initiate some strategies as well, such as currency fluctuation, diversifying markets, forming strategic partnership, and hiring local talent, which really helps them to mitigate these challenges as well. If I talk about the comprehensive risk management, the company risk management extended to legal and financial strategies, ensuring compliance and international laws, ethical practices, and financial stability. Throughout the entire journey of the Sony Corporation has emerged lots of global success story. They showcase reliance, adaptability in a dynamic global landscape. Despite the numerous challenges, the company's strategies value to mitigate mitigation efforts, and they also do make lots of strategies to make their company growth and provide long length to the industry. And these are the references which from where we take all the sources of the Sony Corporation. Thank you everyone for your times, and thank you so much.